Empowering black girls. We are just a few weeks away from a big event designed to do just that. Every December, the Black Doll Affair delivers thousands of black dolls to black girls around the country. Organizers say their goal is to eliminate low self-esteem and inspire these young women. From Twitter, jabs on gymnast Gabby Douglas's hair to the body shaming of Serena Williams, some women say the standard of black beauty is under constant attack.
You know, it makes me sad, and I want them to feel like they're beautiful just like everybody else.
But Lisa Kitchen says it's even harder to swallow when it comes from the mouths of young black girls.
Those little girls grow up to be women that unfortunately may still have that same image of themselves or that lack of self-esteem.
Kitchens is part of the Black Doll Affair, which uses black dolls to change the way black girls and women view themselves.
When we give her that doll, she understands that that's beautiful, but we're also giving that message to her. When we give the doll away, we're saying to her, this doll is beautiful, but look at you.
We literally kickstarted a movement.
Dana Hill started the organization 9 years ago after seeing a special on the 1940s doll test where black children referred to white dolls as pretty and black dolls as bad.
Because this is about loving the doll in the mirror. This is about loving the doll next door. Black women, as black women, we have a problem with sisterhood.
Dr. Kanika Bell, who teaches psychology at Clark Atlanta, says positive reinforcement is an uphill battle. And she points to the recent claim by a black woman that a Delta flight attendant didn't believe she was a doctor during an emergency.
But I think what we're really starting to see that it is the blackness itself that is being devalued. So that no matter how much education you have, no matter how much wealth you've attained, the neighborhood in which you live, the person to whom you're even married, none of that matters.
But Bell says groups like the Black Doll Affair have impact.
I think organizations like the Black Doll Affair reclaim these negative paradigms. They take this notion of the doll studies are proving that there's self-loathing and self-hatred rampant in the black community and trying to reframe that positively.
Women serve as ambassador dolls, spreading messages of empowerment.
It just represents everything that we are. We're powerful, we're beautiful, we're smart, we have strength.
Even the world's largest toy maker is paying attention. You get the call from Mattel. I want to know what that's like.
We can pick up the phone and tell them what we're thinking. The fact that when they rolled out their new fashionista doll, they called the Black Doll Affair and said, can you get on the phone with us and tell us about these line of dolls before we put them out?
I know we have a long way to go still, but when you walk into the store today and you see the different shades, the different noses, the different hair, have we achieved some measure of success here, some love?
Now we get to see a curvy doll. We get to see a petite doll. We get to see a doll wearing glasses. We get to see a biracial doll. You know, these were things that absolutely weren't happening.
Not that long ago, the Black Doll Affair is always looking for ambassador dolls to help spread its message of empowerment. That's really what it's all about. For more information on how you can help, you can find a link at CBS46.com.